one is strong here.
Let me see if I can. Hold on, let me see if I can do it.
And then they showed you the little Cassidy robot. Two? How many lives does she have? Go shoot in the ground. Easy. Dead.
Would you like to try a harder one?
Yeah, but I won't be Cassidy this time.
Okay, would you like to try the one that I fought?
Sure. Imagine I beat him the first time. You're gonna do the whole bit. I would have done him.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna die. You gotta make sure
Viaggia con il massimo della flessibilità con il biglietto digitale regionale. Acquista lo su Treinitalia.com e app Treinitalia e fai check-in per viaggiare. Maggiori informazioni su Treinitalia.com sezione
You have three
regionale.
jumps to get off. You can also dash with the blue button. Can you change it?
She's kind of going all over the place and not hitting anything.
Want to change it?
Well, then I have no choice now. I know why you like her. Because she can shoot from here, but...
No, because she has a hammer. How the heavy move?
Can you maybe stop talking? Because you're obviously not that good of a player. This person sucks.
No, wake him up. Come on, baby. Roy, I'm talking about the facts of life.
What the heck is wrong with this person? What's it?
Attenzione!
You want me to leave extreme on for you? You want to go like the Weeding Her Juniors?
I don't want to be her. I like being her. Who's that?
Someone you don't want to play as. Yeah, that's a good one.
Turn on the data. See if you can get it.
Want to go seeking?
Ah, you turn it on already?
No, I didn't. I turned on Wi-Fi.
It'll start seeking on its own.
Off. It'll start seeking Wi-Fi. It's going to go to the worst one possible.
I don't know. It's your fault.
Miss J, turn yours on because it's pretty good.
Peggy, you don't see in front of them?
Send code. I'm sending the code now.
Send code to who?
To you,
I don't
monkey.
even see it. Look. Look. I don't even see it.
Oh, it does. Oh, I gotta turn mine on. No. Can you do
I don't know.
hotspot?
You know more than me. You know how to deny people. I really don't know.
Monkeys.
Can you do hotspot with me without?
If you turn your hotspot on, I should be able to.
Hai acquistato un biglietto digitale regionale. Ricorda di fare il check-in prima dell'orario programmato di partenza di questo.
Absolutely everything. Give me your phones.
Done. Bring up
There,
the
there, there, there. She did it. See, I told you she knew more. Okay, what's next?
connect. Send me the whatever.
It logged me out of my iMessages. So can I do anything? I cannot receive iMessage. Nothing.
It's not iMessages. It's your phone.
It's our message.
Regular message for iPhone is called iMessage.
Connect to.
We'll have to say with attitude.
No code?
Turn
Consigliamo prudenza nella discesa dal treno.
Nothing yet?
See, it says waiting for activation. Waiting. Is there any other place you can send it?
I'm trying to. Phone call, it says.
Maybe a phone call via Wi-Fi? My calls should be good. Wi-Fi calling. Boom.
Hello, this is Ben.
Hello.
Se hai acquistato un biglietto digitale regionale, ricorda di fare il check-in prima dell'orario programmato di partenza di questo treno. In caso di difficoltà, rivolgiti immediatamente al capotreno per non incorrere nella maggiorazione prevista. If you have purchased a digital regional ticket,
When I get on the elephant, he's gonna watch his plane.
And then when you're done, put it back in.
He throws
Because you
formato di partenza di questo treno. In caso di difficoltà, rivolgiti immediatamente al capotreno per non incorrere nella maggiorazione prevista.
If you have purchased a digital regional ticket, please check in before the scheduled departure time of the selected train. In case of difficulty, please consult immediately the train manager to avoid incurring any additional charges. Be careful.
I like your water bottle, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my thing out, so you know which one's which.
finally.
You heard?
Yep.
That was
Just a little bit. I know someone out there has an idea.